Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and Smudge is here. That's why I have the camera turned a little bit. I got some items from the last Boxycharm Mega Drop Shop. That was in February. I have had these things for at least a week, if not longer, but I have been very busy with other things. So this went on the back burner. But I got this offer. This was, it didn't say boxes, it said 10 full-size items for $40. But you know, you would assume it would be a couple of boxes. So this is this big giant box, and this is this little skinny box. So we'll see what those are shortly. And Smudge is moving through maybe. You had to spend $60, that was $40, to get a free item. So I thought, yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I got a free item, y'all. And I'll tell you about that here also. Let's let me show you what I got. And I don't know, I doubt that I'll get through both of those boxes. We'll see how far we get. The value of this is incredible. So all right, let's start off. I did get this is I have it already, and it's fantastic. This is the brand Eloise, which I have been introduced to Eloise from Boxycharm. This is the Sahara Nights palette. It's one of my favorite palettes. And you know I say that about a lot of things, but if I'm using a palette, then if I'm using it, then of course it's a palette that I like. So this is what it looks like. You can see I do use it. It's all shimmers, but they're good, basic, neutral shimmers. And I just love this palette. Love it, love it, love it. It has a nice magnet closure. I paid $3 for this one for a future giveaway, and this is valued at $35. See, that's the kind, the mega drop shops, that's how they were, even the regular drop shops. So I'm not sure what we have in store for us with the change, you know, with Ipsy and Boxy merging. They say they're still going to do the sales, but so far this month, the month of March, they have not done any drop shops. So maybe it's something they're still working on. I'm not really sure. When I'm filming this, there's a flash sale going on with Ipsy. Not sure when you're going to see it. It might be over by then. And then I also got this deal. I don't know why I got this deal, y'all. I was trying to get to that $60, and this is not anything I need. Ciate London, okay. This is a set of 5 lippies, and I paid $10.99 for them. And each of these are valued at $19, okay? And they're all liquid lips. And let's see what they are. Oh golly, look at that one. That's a real chocolate. That is called Voodoo. This one is Voodoo. It's definitely very, very dark lippy. And $19.50 for each of these. And I paid $10.95 for all 5. And this one, this is beautiful. This is called, well, the other one was on the box. The name was on the box. Where is, you know, Smudge just came through, so now I can't find anything. My magnifying glass is missing. I can see it. Chatterbox. This one is Chatterbox. That's gorgeous. I just have heard that these liquid velvets are very nice. I'm not going to be using these dark colors. Maybe some of y'all will like it. That one didn't have it on the label. This one does. This is Sasspot. Oh, wow. Yeah, these are all very, very bold. Very, very bold. That is very, very bold. See what I mean? Why did I get this? Because I had to get the free item? You know, I'm a little nuts that way. I think a lot of us are when we shop, right? This one is Envy. Oh, wow. That is really cool. That is beautiful. I never wear lippies like this ever, but they're great for if you have to do a look for a, you know, for a collab. This one is called Dazed. And that's another brown. So I don't know, I may keep 1 or 2 of these for myself. I don't know. They're odd. So I don't know if you guys will like them in a giveaway, but we'll find out. If I put them in a giveaway, we'll find out what we, I may have some friends that like them too, because I have friends that do the collabs with makeup and they need some interesting lippies from time to time. Anyway, I just thought that was a great deal, and it was a great deal. And then I got this from Rare Beauty. This I paid $5 for, and this is valued at $16. This says, with gratitude, dewy lip balm. I'm pretty sure this is the one that Cece really loves, Cece Strauss Eyes Life. And I could be wrong. She discovered this somewhere along the line and has really enjoyed it. And, oh, maybe not. I think this is, maybe it's different. But I just know that, their Rare Beauty's lippies are nice. So this is interesting. Look at that interesting container. I don't know if that's the one that Cece likes. You'll have to let me know, Cece, if you're watching. Oh, this is pretty. This is beautiful. I did think it was lighter than this, but it's a balm. So I'm going to, it looks very dark, but I believe, because it's a balm, it's going to be lighter. So we'll swatch it. Oh yeah, it is. And it's like butter. Oh, I'm going to love that. Yes, yes. I have so many, oh my goodness, y'all. I have so many balms that I use constantly. But look at how cool that container is. I love that because it won't roll. It'll lay flat. It's really pretty design to it and everything. And I do like that. That's pretty. Okay, anyway, that is that. I'm not going to put it back in the box. No point to do that. All right, next we have, I got this because I love this kind of thing. Show it to you right quick. This is the brand Kitsch. And if I have not gotten this in Boxy before, I don't think I would have, because it would have been in like the Luxe. And I only ever got the Luxe one time. Maybe I got it then. But I believe I might have gotten this in Fab Fit Fun, also this brand. And maybe in a mystery bundle. This is the Satin Sleep Set. This is a wonderful set. I love satin sheets, satin pillowcases. I shouldn't say sheets. I honestly don't like satin sheets. I've had them before and they're just too, they're not comfortable. But the pillowcase is great. Great for your skin, great for your hair. This was $4 and it's valued at $36. And it makes a wonderful gift. It's packaged nicely. There is the one pillowcase and there is the eye mask. And I use eye masks anytime I sleep past dark. I use an eye mask. And then this particular one has the hair, whatchamacallit, scrunchie. I don't use those, but this will make a nice gift. There's a little hole here so you can feel it. It's very lovely. So I like to have that for giveaways and for gifts as well. And then we have, this is my free gift because I spent 60 bucks. So that's this here. I've never heard of this before. I had to go online to try to find a value of it. And there is this company, Kypris. If you all have heard of this, tell me. It's Kypris. This is an illuminating eye serum and primer set with a shimmer palette. So let's look. I looked up the pricing on their website. They didn't have this particular grouping at this time. But each piece, oh my, this is valued at $200 just about, y'all. $200. Okay, here is the serum. And then here is the palette. So the serum, I don't know, the serum, I don't know. It's very low. I don't know. I hope that's okay. It says illuminating eye serum and primer. See, this is a primer, so I wouldn't really use it. But it's an eye serum as well. So I'm not going to open it because it's not something that I would use, but it's a dropper. And I don't know, it's just odd looking. I hope it's not dried up or something. I'll probably be passing this on to someone so you can tell me. I won't put it in a giveaway because I'm not sure, unless this is supposed to be that way, y'all. But this is valued at $120, it says, for the eye serum and the primer. And then the shimmer palette is very beautiful on the website. This is very nice. It has this magnet. Very nice here. It does have a mirror. Here are the gorgeous, gorgeous colors. It says you can use these on your eyes and you can also use them on your body. Oh, these are beautiful. I would love to swatch this. I would love to have this, but because I'm not going to keep this, I'm going to keep this as a set because somebody may want it. And then at some point down the road, if it's not something that one of my friends want, or somebody lets me know I have to have that, you know, then I might swatch this and use this. But this I will not use. So anyway, there is no date on here as far as expiration. So this is supposed to be wonderful, the eye serum. And so it's a nice set, but $192 for this. So, all right, so $192, where's my pen? So, I will show you the boxes here in a minute, but, boy, I am just a mess. A smudge came through here and I can't find a thing. So if that's valued at $192, the whole thing, I paid $62.99. And 12, 5, 6, supposedly this is all valued at $724. I would never pay that for these things. But let's go through the small box and then I'll do the big box on part 2. How's that? So it does have a seal and I did cut that. And this is what it looks like inside. This is an adorable little box. It says all access. Boxycharm all access. So if y'all remember what month this is from, I don't know. This just said 5 full-size products. I mean, sorry, 10 full-size products for the $40. So maybe if you got this deal as well, you might get different boxes than me. I've seen that happen before with a couple of my friends that have opened things. This upgrade to box, okay, that's just about that. It doesn't say when this is from. It has a version 2. So this might be quite old. I don't know, but let's see what's in here. It looks nice, what I see right on top. We have Makeup of the Day Pro 5-piece Deluxe Eye Kit by Royal and Langnickel. Moda Pro. Maybe it's not Makeup of the Day. Maybe that's a different brand, but it looks like that anyway. But these look like very nice brushes there. Very nice eye brushes. And these handles are wonderful. They have a texture to them, so they're easy to hold. So it's saying that these are valued at, it is Moda. It says Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level. Okay, $27.95 for these professional brushes. They look very nice. They have the name of the brush and the number of the brush on the brush itself. Very nice. Okay, then we have a product by Dr. Brandt. This is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, valued at $52. A hydrating recovery sleeping mask. Okay, let's that packaging is pretty. Dr. Brandt usually is not known for their packaging, but I love that green. Okay, this is it here. Recovery sleeping mask. So usually what you do with a sleeping mask is you put it on before you go to bed, and then you don't have to wash it off. Of course, you know, in the morning when you wash your face is when you would wash it. So just like you would put a moisturizer on, same thing. This says it's balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight for reduced redness and soothe the signs of irritation. So Dr. Brandt is a great brand. $52 value on that. There is this little thing. There's more than 5 items in here. Here's a Hank and Henry item. I never get Hank and Henry. This is called Blickety Black Eyeliner. $20 value. This says, I don't know how old this is. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. It's vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. I'm thinking, is there a plastic on here? This has shrink wrap around it, y'all. Okay. There is shrink wrap around it, but I opened it anyway. I want to try this because Hank and Henry I love. I mean, I don't have anything from them. Oh, that's nice and smooth. And it is liquidy, and it says it'll dry down. It is. It's drying down already. Oh, my goodness. That's beautiful. Look at that nice point. So I will peel all that off of there, and that'll go right into my arsenal right away. Wow, that is nice. Very, very nice. Pretty packaging, too. Okay, next we have whatever this is here. Ooh, Laura Geller. Okay, Laura Geller. There's something in here that's not on my card. This is gorgeous. I have seen this many times. I've never had it before, and I use Laura Geller products. This is her Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. This is valued at $26. It's gorgeous. I'm not going to, oh, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I want to. Let's see. It says, illuminate your natural beauty. This innovative hybrid texture applies like a sheer powder, but feels like a cream, creating a translucent wash of luminous color that can be swept all over the face for a lit from within glow. A fresh 3D design captures the look of our favorite Italian dessert, gelato, and lasts until the very last application. Okay, I'm swatching it. I'm swatching it. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's gorgeous. It's gold, a gold shimmer. So that can go anywhere. Highlight, it can go on, you know, anywhere. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I've always wanted to try it. I don't really use highlighters very much, but I'm going through my makeup and I'm getting rid of some things. So that will be something nice. This I do not see anywhere on the card because there's 5 things on the card. This is Becca brand Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. And again, so we don't know the price. So that ups the value of this whole shenanigans, y'all. Okay, this is, looks like a finishing powder. Keep me close to keep me cool. Okay. So this is sealed, which is nice. And there you can see it's powder in there. It is a Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So yeah, it's like it's a finishing powder. And it looks very, very nice. The packaging is very pretty. I like that a lot. I do use setting powders, so I may use that. But I also have some going, so we'll see. But that's not on the package, I mean the information, so I don't know how much that's valued at. And then we have the Violet Voss Essentials Palette. I want to tell you, this box was packed very nicely to keep from having trouble. I don't have this one. I have one of the essentials, but it's not this. I think there's an essential. This might be the 1, and then there's a 2. This is valued at $29. It is, maybe they're not called 1 and 2 because this was the first one. This is very beautiful. Violet Voss is a nice eyeshadow brand. This is pretty. There's a lot of great colors in here. It has some neutrals and then it has some colors. Very, very pretty palette. I like that. So that is my little box. I am going to open the other box on another video because this is getting long, y'all. So this particular box has the Violet Voss Essentials palette. It has these gorgeous brushes. Boy, this was a box, you know. This was a nice box at you know, whoever got this as their base box. The Dr. Brandt, the Laura Geller. What else did we get? We got this, maybe this is on here because, oh, the Hank and Henry. The Hank and Henry, and then this powder, this Becca powder that's not on here. So thanks for watching this, y'all, and I'll have part 2 come up in a day or so. And thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye.